Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum dear students of classes. Here is Sadia Naseem, your science teacher from Beria Foundation College, National Road. Students, we were discussing about the five senses. In my previous lectures, I have told you about the sense of sight, sense of hearing, sense of touch. Today we are going to discuss about the sense of taste and sense of smell. The organ for sense of taste is tongue and organ for the sense of smell is nose. Let's discuss the tongue first of all. Your tongue has taste bud in between the ridges. The taste buds are sensitive to four basic tastes: bitter, salty, sour and sweet. हमारी टंग पे क्या होते हैं? टेस्ट बर्ड होते हैं. जो हम जो भी चीज़ खाते हैं, ये टेस्ट बर्ड्स हमें क्या करते हैं? उसका टेस्ट बताते हैं. चीज़ का टेस्ट क्या है? बिटर है, सॉल्टी है, सॉर है या स्वीट है. चार बेसिक टेस्ट होते हैं. नर्व सेल्स इन द टेस्ट बड्स सेंड द सिग्नल टू द ब्रेन विच इंटरप्रेट देम एज टेस्ट. Although these tastes can be detected all over the tongue, scientists have shown that different areas of tongue are more sensitive to certain tastes than others. टेस्ट बर्ड जो है पूरी टंग के ऊपर ही मौजूद होते हैं, लेकिन क्या होता है कि कुछ एरिया किसी एक स्पेसिफिक टेस्ट के लिए ज़्यादा सेंसिटिव होता है. फॉर एग्जांपल, हमारी टंग का जो सामने वाला फ्रंट सबसे आगे वाला हिस्सा होता है वो बिटर टेस्ट के लिए ज़्यादा सेंसिटिव होता है. ठीक है. उसके बाद कुछ एरिया होता है जहाँ पे सॉल्टी टेस्ट के लिए ज़्यादा सेंसिटिव होता है, वो सॉल्टी टेस्ट को डिटेक्ट करता है. इसके अलावा एक टेस्ट होता है स्पाइसी, मिर्ची जो होती है. वो असल में क्या है? यहाँ पे इन चार बेसिक टेस्ट में हमने उसका जिक्र ही नहीं किया. व्हाट इज द रीज़न? रीज़न इज दैट स्पाइसी इज नॉट ए टेस्ट. इन फैक्ट इट इज अ सेंस ऑफ पेन. यू गॉट माई पॉइंट? इट्स अ सेंस ऑफ पेन विच आवर टंग फील. Here, spicy is not a taste. Spiciness is in fact the form of pain sensation. So, tongue is sense of taste. Now the sense of smell. The organ for sense of smell is nose. We smell different things with our nose. Smell may be good, bad. Your nose contains nerve cells that are sensitive to chemicals in the air. Now what are the smell? Smells are basically chemicals which are added in the air, different chemicals which have been added in the air. So the air canal has the nerves which are sensitive for the chemicals in the air, which are sensitive for the smell. When you breathe in through your nose, these chemicals dissolve in thin film of water that covers inside. Here is present thin film of water inside the nose. The chemicals which come from the air, they dissolve in this thin film of water. The dissolved chemicals are detected by nerve cells which send signals to the brain which interprets them as smell. These dissolved chemicals, here are the brain signals, nerve cells. These chemicals are sent to the brain. Here brain tells to your body either the smell is good or bad or attractive or not. Okay, you got my point? Today we have completed our chapter number 2, which was about the life and living thing. In this chapter we have studied about cells, cell structure, tissue, organ system, and then we have learned about the five senses. Now your homework is you have to solve the exercise given on book page number 28. Question number 1 for exercise is, where are taste buds? Question number 2, what is advantages to remove food around your mouth before you swallow it? Question number 3, explain why you seem to lose your sense of taste when you have cold. Number 4, name 5 senses and their sense organs. Do your homework. I am waiting for your homework. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.